The S22 in Phantom White looks so good in person and feels excellent in the hand. The setup is super smooth. Speaking of super smooth, the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner on here is just as smooth as the S22 Plus and the S22 Ultra. Don't forget that there's also face unlock if you prefer that over fingerprint unlock, but the fingerprint unlock is super smooth. After setting up biometrics, we'll breeze through the rest of the initial setup and we'll jump right into the S22, which I went with a similar setup restoring from my S22 Ultra's latest backup. I cannot stress enough how much I love the feel of this S22 in the hand. It's really the ideal size for a smartphone with minimal bezels, still providing an immersive display and immersive experience. While the standard S22 here has a much smaller battery, I am curious to see how it holds up and if it can last an entire day. If so, this is really an all-around solid device. Subscribe for more S22 content and the full review with those details coming soon, in addition to, of course, the camera comparisons of a lot of these devices I have right now. I'm really curious to see how these cameras stack up, especially on this S22 in comparison to the Ultra. Overall, they should be quite similar, but I'm definitely looking forward to that, so stay tuned for that comparison coming soon. Briefly comparing the S22 Ultra to the S22 here, you can really get a sense for just how much smaller the standard S22 is, or just how much larger the Ultra is. Nonetheless, this is an excellent looking device and I'm super excited to dive right into it. Also to note, I love having the rounded edges coming from that S22 Ultra's boxier design. Anywho, that's my quick unboxing of this S22. Thanks for watching, take care, and stay safe.